Dr. John Hobbs on video.
Yeah.
It's like 9:15. This is fish number 18. I'm telling the truth.
He is, he is.
Way over here, John.
Yes.
You got me. Hey, John, so you can get him, you know, back in this zip code, buddy.
All right.
I like seeing a rod looking like that.
Nice rainbow.
All right. Got time for the net.